In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of a document in Grammarly Editor or recover a deleted document. Understanding how to restore your work can be crucial, especially when you face unexpected losses or need to roll back to an earlier draft. Let's dive into the process and make sure you feel secure in managing your documents within Grammarly. First, you'll want to start by opening Grammarly and heading over to your dashboard, which you can find at app.grammarly.com. The dashboard serves as your central hub, where you can access all your current and past documents easily. Once you're on your dashboard, look through your document list to locate the specific document you intend to restore. It's important to remember exactly what you need. Are you looking to recover a version that's simply older or one that's been deleted altogether? If you've accidentally deleted a document and need to recover it, don't worry. Grammarly offers a convenient trash feature on your dashboard where deleted documents are retained for up to 30 days. Navigate to the trash section where you'll find a list of documents eligible for recovery. Scroll through to find the document you need, and click on the Restore button. This action will bring your document back from deletion, allowing you to access it and resume your work without too much hassle. Now, if you're recovering a previous version of a document that has not been deleted, perhaps you made some changes that you now wish to revert. Here's what you need to do. Begin by opening the document you're working with in Grammarly. With the document opened, glance towards the upper left corner of your screen and click on the menu icon. From there, you'll see the option for version history. Go ahead and select that. This will take you to a list that shows all available versions of your document. Browse through this list carefully and select the version you wish to restore. Grammarly makes it easy by letting you download all available versions of the document. Pick the one you need, and it'll be restored, giving you peace of mind knowing your previous work isn't lost. After you've restored the desired version, it's always a good practice to save or download the version to ensure any changes made remain intact. This step is crucial in preventing the loss of changes or updates you've worked hard on. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your documents in Grammarly, ensuring that you have access to the versions you need, whether you've simply discarded them or need to iterate back to an earlier draft. So go ahead, restore with confidence, and keep your peace of mind intact, knowing your important documents are under control.